Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to share another homemade cat wet food recipe. Without any further ado, let's cook in, shall we? We need 250 grams of chicken thigh, cut into small pieces. Cut small 50 grams of pork liver too. And boil the chicken and pork liver for 5 minutes. Then drain it and let it cool. Now boil the anchovies in the new water for 3 minutes. Drain it, but do not throw away the broth. Scoop some broth and add 1 teaspoon of agar powder. Dissolve it and pour in the other broth. Boil it until it bubbles. Then set it aside. Now put the chicken and the pork liver. Add a bit of the broth and ground it coarsely. Set aside. Put the anchovies in the blender. Add 80 grams of boiled potato and half carrot and blend all of them. After that, put all the ground ingredients into the pot with broth and agar powder. And mix it all. Add half teaspoon of egg shell calcium. Then pour it into the container and close it tight. And it's done. The homemade wet food is ready to serve to your lovely cat. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.